Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Good evening, everyone. Hi, this is your social science teacher. Okay, now look at on the screen. Today we are going to discuss about identification keys. So before I start this lesson, I would like to remind you some important points which is we discussed in our last class. Like our last class was about local habitat, woodline, right? Like habitat is a place where animals can find food easily. Like some animals eat plants and some animals eat other animals. Animals must live in a habitat where they can find food. Okay, like the names of the animals which you eat plants. Okay, here is the identification keys. Let's see. What is the means of key, boys? Let me explain what is the means of key. Like the boys, key a series. Key a series of questions that allow you to name animals or plants. Okay. So there are millions of animals in the world, and scientists have to be able to identify them. Scientists need to sort animals into groups. Scientists also have to able to identify animals. They do this with an identification key. Okay, there are keys for animals and keys for plants. Okay, here is the identification key, which each box has a question. By answering the question, we can identify a bird, cat, a fish, and a snake. Here in this lesson, we are going to identify birds, cat, fish, and a snake. Like a birds have two legs and feather, right, boys? And a cat have four legs. Okay, a cat is a mammal, and fish have fish no legs. Okay, fish have a fins. Okay, and a snake does does it slide on the ground? That's a snake. Okay, snake slide on the ground. Okay, now let me explain. Here you can see, okay, boys, here's a question and the answer of the question and another question here. Let me use a pen to explain you all of you. Okay, here you can see a question. Does the animals have legs? In your left, you can see S. Does it have two legs? Okay, on your right, no. Does it have no have fins? Okay, that is have fins. This is fins and this is leg. Here in this box also become one answer and question. Like see here, does it have feathers? That is have feathers. Here is the does it have four legs? If animals have four legs, they don't have a feather. Who have two legs, they have a feather. Okay, so two legs, what with feather, it's a bird, and here you see it is a cat. And here, does it have fins? It is a fish. And does it slide on the ground? That's a snake. Okay, this is key. Okay, like the boys, two legs animals name in birds. You can say parrot, chicken, you can say duck, okay, of many other animals. And four legs animals like cat, already here mentioned cat, dog, and the tiger, and many other animals. Here is a snake, okay, and fish have a feather. Let me show you the fish with feather on the page number 27. Here you can see, boys, there are two boys. They are doing activity. For this activity, you need a large sheet of paper and a pencil. Here you can see on the screen, the two boys are doing, they are trying to identify the animals, identification of keys. Like here is a fish, this is the feather of fish, and tiger have a four legs, goat also have a four legs, and this is dog have a two legs and feather. Okay, in this lesson, we learn about scientists need to be able to group animals. We can use an identification key to group animals. Okay, boys. I hope you understand this lesson and enjoy. Thank you so much for joining my class. Have a nice day and grateful day.